Most people think they can just tap a button and delete their Revolut account in 10 seconds. But then they get stuck because the app literally won't let them leave. It feels like the app is holding your data hostage. But there is a very specific sequence you have to follow to unlock that final exit button. If you don't do these steps in the exact right order, you'll just keep getting error messages. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you a specific trick for those tiny, leftover dust balances that are too small to bank transfer but will still block your account from closing. The reason Revolut makes this so difficult isn't actually to annoy you. Because they operate as a bank, they have strict legal requirements to ensure no money is left in limbo. They can't legally close an account if there's a single penny sitting in a hidden corner or a transaction that hasn't fully settled yet. Think of it like moving out of an apartment. The landlord won't take the keys back until every single drawer is empty and the floor is swept. If you have a pending payment or a fraction of a cent in a crypto vault, the system sees that as an active relationship and keeps the door locked. To get started, we need to clear your mandatory checklist before we even look for the close button. First, you need to open your app and check every single currency pocket, regular pocket, and vault you've ever created. Every single one of them must be at exactly 0, 0. If you have a paid plan like Plus, Premium, Metal, or Ultra, you have to downgrade to the standard plan first. Be aware that if you're still in your first year of a paid subscription, Revolut might charge you a break fee to leave early. Next, make sure you don't have any pending transactions. If you bought a coffee an hour ago and the payment is still settling, you're going to have to wait a day or two until it says completed. Now, this is the part most people forget: your investments. You have to sell every single bit of stock, crypto, or gold you hold and move that cash back into your main account. Your investment account actually has to be officially closed before the main account can follow suit. Also, if you've set up a Revolut under 18 account for your kids, you've got to shut those down first or the main account stays open. Before you hit that final button, there is one crucial thing you must do: download your data. Once you close this account, you lose instant access to the app and all your history. Go to your profile, then Documents, and then Account Statement. Download your statements for at least the last couple of years. You might not need them today, but if you apply for a mortgage or need to prove something for taxes 3 years from now, trying to get these files from Revolut's email support is a slow, manual nightmare. Now that your balance is 0 and your documents are saved, here is how you actually finish it. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the app, then tap on Account. Scroll all the way to the very bottom, and you will see the Close Account option. Follow the prompts, tell them why you're leaving, and confirm it. If you can't find that button, it means you missed one of the prerequisites, like a hidden vault or a pending trade. If you've lost your phone or can't log in at all, you'll need to email support@revolut.com with your name, address, and a photo of your ID so they can do it manually. Here is the pro tip I promised for those annoying leftover cents. Sometimes you'll have 3 cents left in a currency that is too small to transfer out to another bank. Instead of letting those 3 cents block your closure, go to the Donation section in the app. You can donate those tiny amounts to charity, which clears your balance to 0 instantly and lets you bypass the zero balance error.